Hello everyone, once again welcome back to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today I'm going to show how to password protect Microsoft Excel files, new and existing one, easily. So first of all I'm going to start and writing Excel and taking a blank document and inputting some data. Okay, I'm going to save it. Save as, and choosing desktop as a location and renaming it as data, and then going to the most important part, to tools and general options, and there you'll be asked to input the password. I'm just typing 1234 and password to modify is not required. Click on OK and then again re-enter the password 1234. Okay, and save. Okay, closing it. As it was in desktop, I'm just going to my desktop again and it is there. Opening it. Okay, as you can see, it is asking me to enter the password 1234. Okay, it is now there, and by this way you can create password for new Excel files. Now if you ask me how to set password on existing files, okay, so for the demonstration purpose I have a file, existing files in my desktop, home expenses, and I'm just going to open it. It has no password in it, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to file again, save as, and choosing the location again to desktop, and there the file name should be like this, and then go to tools again and general options. Now you'll be able to input the password again for the existing file 1234 and again 1234, the password that I'm choosing right now, and save. Yes. Okay, if I open it again, and as you can see, it is protected and asking me to input the password, and by this way you can password protect new and existing Excel files easily with this video. And I hope you really found this useful. If you really did so, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience, and subscribe to the channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.